Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I'm fine. How are you?
Fine.
Everybody is present?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, we have to run.
Good morning, Afan.
अच्छा मैं आपको बताता हूँ पता है मेरी बात
कल हमने क्या पढ़ा था, कुछ याद है किसी को?
Yes.
और किसके बारे
Holy
में?
Quran.
के बाद
प्रॉफिट के बारे में। और फिर किस प्रॉफिट के बारे में पढ़ा था?
10-15 मिनट के बाद निकला
Hazrat Jibreel is a prophet or an angel? He was a prophet or an angel? Hazrat Jibreel was an angel. He is an angel.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, start. Who's doing this? Hey everyone, look at the Ayan Han TV. Ayan Han the TV. He's right here. He's right here. Right down. Hey, Abhirat, raise down your hand.
Good morning. Okay. I'll ask you the questions and you will answer me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Sabila, I know. But there is no written word. Why did the Quraysh send their young children to the countryside? Do you know? Yesterday I told you. Right? Why did the Quraysh send their young children to the countryside?
Because to give fresh air and it was the burden of no in open air and close to nature.
Because this made the children strong and healthy. Because that environment made children strong and healthy. That's why Quraysh sent their young children to the countryside. Okay.
It was the custom of the noble family Arabic send their babies in open air close to nature.
So how did the children show that they loved Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Okay, now I'm reading. Now I'm reading chapter. Then I will ask the question.
Who
Okay.
are we?
The young Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a very well-behaved child. He never bothered or fought anyone. From the very beginning, he was soft-spoken and quiet by nature. He was helpful and kind-hearted. He did not waste. Okay, wait. He did not waste his time by playing games with other children of his age. Instead, he helped his uncle look after. Instead, he helped his uncle look after his sheep. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam never told a lie. He was so truthful and honest that he was given the titles of Sadiq the truthful, and Amin the trustworthy. Wait. Okay. Sadiq means, what does Sadiq mean?
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, सच्चा मतलब होता है.
Sadiq means truthful. Sadiq means truthful, and Amin means.
Ma'am, will we do writing?
Honest.
साफ करने वाला. Ma'am, will we do writing today?
Sadiq means truthful and honest, and Amin means trustworthy. And Amin
Ma'am, will we do writing?
Trustworthy. What?
Ma'am,
Okay.
we do
Aram,
writing.
tell me, Sadiq means?
Ma'am, today will
Sadiq
be
means?
writing.
Good morning. Sadiq means?
Amin. Ma'am, will we do writing?
Truthful.
Ma'am, truthfully.
And Amin means trustworthy.
Truthful.
Morning. Sadiq means?
Truthful.
Amin means trustworthy.
Ma'am, will we do writing? Truthful. Today will be do writing.
Amin means
Ma'am,
trustworthy.
will we trustworthy and one is Ma'am, will we do writing?
What?
Writing.
No.
Answers again.
अभी हम सिर्फ रिवीजन कर रहे हैं सिला. ओके, आपका होमवर्क है, आप नोट कर लीजिए. ठीक है. You have to write a note, a small note on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. No, you have to write a small note on Quran. Okay?
Please write important.
अब सबको पता चल गया है कि आपको कुरान पे एक नोट लिखना है, a small note.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Quran note?
बेटा छोटा
write it on diary.
कैसे लिखना है कुरान पर, ठीक है। कुरान के बारे में जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है आपके पास वो आपने लिखनी है।
Ma'am, will this be in the diary?
आप बाकी होमवर्क्स कैसे करते हैं? अयान खान, अयान, unmute your mic. And sit properly. Abu Zar, unmute your mic. Ayan Shah, Azan, turn on your camera. Bisma, Hafsa, all of you. Yes. Okay, so okay, Ayan. So you are having your breakfast. Okay, doesn't matter.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can turn off your camera. After that, you can turn on. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. कल आपने कुरान पाक, द होली कुरान के बारे में जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है आपके पास वो आपने जो है वो उसके ऊपर वो लिख के लाना है। जिसको जो जो जितना जितना पता है वो लिखना है, जैसे बाकी होमवर्क करते हैं उसी तरह से। ओके
Okay, ma'am.
ओके। मैं एक दफा ये कुरान का टॉपिक वैसे भी पढ़ देती हूँ। द होली कुरान इज Allah's book of guidance. It was given to our holy prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah sent the Quran to the holy prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam through his angel. Which angel? Allah sent the Quran through Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam. The Quran is in which language? The Quran is in Arabic, which was the language of the holy prophet. It was also the language of holy prophet. Okay, in the holy Quran, Allah tells us how to lead a good and honest life and how to live peacefully with others. The messages were repeated by the holy prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to his companions, who collected and compiled them. This collection of Allah's messages and teachings in the Quran. The Quran is the last book of Allah. Allah has completed his teachings for all mankind and for all times to come in the Quran. The Quran has 114 surahs. It is divided into how many paras? 30 sections or 30 separas. The first surah of the Quran is? First surah of Quran is? The first surah of Quran is? Surah Al-Fatiha. And the last surah is? Surah Nas. In how many years it was completed? How many years? 23. It was completed in 23 years. Okay? It took 23 years. We have to be clean. We have to be clean to read the Quran because it is Allah's book. We read passages from the Quran in our namaz. Many Muslims memorize the Quran. This is the best way to preserve it. A Muslim who memorizes the Quran is called? You know what does he call?
मुस्लिम जो मेमोराइज कर लेता कुरान। हाफिज। मैम हाफिज।
Hafiz, yes. It is important to understand the Quran and follow its teachings. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, I have done my breakfast.
18 वर्ष बाद की था।
How you wear the mask like that?
How did Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam help the weak?
He carried the burden of those who were sick.
Hazrat
He
Muhammad sallallahu
carried
alaihi
the
wasallam
burden
people
of
की
those
help
who
कैसे
are
करते
weak.
थे?
He carried the burden of those who were weak.
Carry the burden of those who are weak.
वो उनका बर्डन जो है वो खुद उठा लेते थे, ठीक है? जो वीक होते थे तो उनका बर्डन खुद उठा लेते थे. Question है, how did Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam show his love for children? He played with them and patted them on the back and ran his fingers their hair and carried them in his arms. And what else? The children came running to
Ma'am, I
him
will
when
write
they saw
back.
him and greeting him cheerfully. He liked talking to them. Okay? बच्चे जो है वो उनसे बात करना पसंद करते थे, है ना? वो बच्चों के साथ खेलना पसंद करते थे. बच्चे जब उनको देखते थे तो भागते उनके पास आते थे और उनके साथ उनको और वो खुशी मिलते थे. हजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की पर्सनालिटी कैसी थी?
He don't tell a lie and he is very good.
Very good, Ibrahim. Or who will tell me the personality of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Ma'am, our light is gone.
Ayan Khan is very fast for coronavirus.
It's not a real marks. Yes.
No one?
But how to do the magic
कोई
like
भी
that?
हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु की पर्सनालिटी के बारे में कोई भी नहीं बता सकता. अगर उर्दू में बता सकते तो बेशक उर्दू में, अगर इंग्लिश में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो, लेकिन कुछ तो बताएं. Sila, can you tell me? और अबीरा?
Ma'am, what were you saying? I was
Tell
not
me the
there.
personality of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. How was it?
He was very good and good-feeling man.
God-fearing man. What else? He was kind-hearted. He was called what? Sadiq and Amin. Sadiq means?
Sadiq means truthful and Amin means trustful.
Yes, Amin means?
I mean,
Trustful.
Sadiq means? Sadiq means सच्चा यानी truthful, and Amin means ईमानदार यानी trustworthy. Okay?
He's very good people.
People person. He was very kind to others. He had a good heart.
He's very kind.
And was soft spoken and quiet by nature. He was helpful and kind hearted. He did not waste his time by playing games with other children of his age. Instead, he helped his uncle look after his sheep. Understood? Are you listening to me or not? Ayan Khan, stop playing. Just concentrate. Huh? Azan, again you. Azan. Okay. Abu Zar, also. Hafsa, Bisma, turn on your camera.
Ma'am,
Sabi,
ma'am,
turn on your camera.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. What is this, Ishal? So Hazrat Muhammad's foster mother was? Who was his foster mother?
Hazrat Halima Saadia.
Yes. And who was his real mother?
Hazrat Amina. Hazrat Amina.
Hazrat Amina. Hazrat Amina. What, ma'am?
Ma'am, Hazrat Amina was his
Real and
mother was Hazrat Abdullah.
Halima Saadia was the poster.
And who took after him after the death of his mother?
His
After the
grandfather.
death of his mother.
His grandfather, ma'am.
Yes, his grandfather Abdul Muttalib. Grandfather Abdul Muttalib.
Muslim.
Yes. And after his grandfather's death, who took after him?
His uncle.
His uncle. His uncle Abu Talib. Yes. Abu Talib.
Abu Talib. Who was
His mother Amina died when he was only -years old. How? Yes? No. 6. Yes. Yes. 6. He was only 6 years old. Okay, एक दफा मैं एक दफा फिर बता रही हूँ सबको कि कुरान के ऊपर जितनी भी जो भी आपको इंफॉर्मेशन है वो आपने लिख के मुझे सेंड करनी है. ओके?
Okay, ma'am. What?
ये आपका होमवर्क है. नोट इट.
Will it be in diary?
तो कोई भी पेपर लेकर उस पे लिखना है और फिर मुझे करना है. ठीक है?
Ma'am, what's it again?
या फिर इस्लामियत की नोटबुक बना के उसके ऊपर द कुरान के ऊपर नोट लिखना है या जो भी आपको इंफॉर्मेशन है वो लिखनी है. ठीक है? ओके. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Goodbye, ma'am.